In order to maintain a healthy fescue lawn year-round, it's important to aerate and seed once a year. And the fall is the best time to do it because fescue is a cool season grass. September through November are the perfect months to core aerate and overseed your fescue lawn. So what is aeration and overseeding? Core aeration is the removal of small plugs of soil from your lawn. This allows oxygen, water, and nutrients to get down to the roots, which is necessary for growth and improves the health of your lawn. This process also helps to control thatch, which is the dead layer of grass left over from mowing. Excessive thatch slows growth and weakens turf. Overseeding is the process of spreading new grass seed throughout your lawn to help it grow. This will help cover any bare or thin spots in your grass and will help improve the health, appearance, and color of your lawn. It can also help prevent drought stress, disease damage, and bare patches. So what's the process like? Step 1. We scalp the fescue low to allow sunlight to better reach the grass seed. Step 2. We perform a double pass with our aerator to ensure plenty of cores are pulled from the soil. We weave through your yard utilizing our unique aeration pattern to ensure the highest penetration of core holes. Step 3. We overseed your lawn with a premium grade fescue seed and use a 3-way blend. Step 4. We then use organic peat moss or wheat straw to better condition the clay soil and insulate the seed. This eliminates raking after germination and helps support the thin bare areas of your lawn. Follow these steps for a great looking fescue lawn.